So the excerpt that we read this week was very interesting and thought-provoking. It it took me a little bit to realize that it was fiction. Um, as soon as they talked about cutting out his brain, I was like, this can't be nonfiction. Um, but it was kind of scary um, because though it would require a large jump in technology, I don't think anything that they mentioned was extraordinarily abstract or impossible. Um, and so, I don't know, it concerns me a little bit that we will, we as humanity as a whole, are quite possibly going to have to deal with some of the issues that he talked about, such as having two brains. Maybe that was a little bit far-fetched. Um, but there were a couple of things that I picked up as, I guess, being inconsistent. One of those things was when he was actually down by the missile or warhead or whatever that was radioactive, and his radio transmitter started cutting out. He mentioned that he had cut off all of his perception and that his body was probably still underground, breathing and having a heartbeat. That I guess I was confused as to why the radio transmitters would work for his heart rate and his breathing, but not with the other things. So I didn't know if that was, maybe I'm missing something, or if that was a fallacy. But like I said, very interesting. I guess I was, I don't know if I'm oversimplifying it, but I guess I was a little confused about why he was so obsessed with figuring out where he was mentally, because it seems to me that it's natural that you would be with your body because that's where you're getting all of your sensory feedback, and a brain itself doesn't have any senses, and so you wouldn't be able to sense the world outside of your brain if you were just a brain. But maybe he just means like mentally I'm in the vat. I don't know. It was weird. It was thought-provoking. I think I liked it. So, yeah, hopefully I won't have my brain severed and attached to radio transmitters anytime soon.